Hey, this is Tyrone here with We Auto Detailing, and we service the Atlanta and Metro Atlanta area. So today we're going to go over our different pricing packages and add-on for our car detailing business. So we have a maintenance interior and exterior detail. We have a full service interior and exterior detail. Then we have a middle package. And what this middle package is basically, you can get a wax or you can get a shampooing, and we have a flat rate for that based on your vehicle size. So for our full service interior and exterior, it starts at $329.99, and that will be for cars. So for our trucks, our interior and exterior for our full service will go for about $379. We also do semi trucks and passenger vans as well, and that go for about $850, and that'll be for our full service interior and exterior. We never had anyone book that detail, so it's just there just in case something happens. So the maintenance goes for $159.99. We just went up on our pricing maybe 3 weeks ago, and we went up because we had that $150 price, which what it was before, for about 2 years, and it was time to go up on pricing, especially with inflation and all the different things that's changing around the country. Yep, only $9. Our maintenance is our money maker. We track all our spending and all the sales that we get, and we get most of our sales from our maintenance. So I'm very strict about that pricing staying the same or close to it. But any other services like our full service or our wax and shampoo service, that one, it fluctuates throughout the year. So far with our older customers, it's only been one customer that have asked about it, and she was more than happy to pay the price, and she also tipped. So we haven't had any issues with that so far. The add-on services, we have our engine cleaning and undercarriage. So with those two together, it's $50 extra as an add-on. We don't allow people to break down our services, because if they do that, they'll try to nickel and dime you, and by the time you know it, you'll be traveling to a customer house and you not making anything because of all the other costs that it incurs to travel out to your customer. So for our headlight restoration, it's $100 for both of the headlights. So a headlight restoration, it can take anywhere from 20 maybe 30 minutes depending on how bad the headlights are, and how much effort I want to put into them, based on like if it's a newer car and it's just like one little area, then you don't have to spend too much time on it. But if it's an older car, like it been like a 20-year-old car, then you definitely want to take your time and try to do the best you can, even though those headlights may be dull and they may not come all the way back to 100%. So for our headliner, it's an add-on of $100, and it only takes about maybe 35 minutes, if that, maybe less, depending on how bad it is. But it is a hassle, and it's also a risk, because with the headliners, it's stuck on by glue, and you don't want the headliners to start falling off because you're applying too much liquids to your headliner. So with pat hair, the pat hair pretty much adds an additional 30 to 45 minutes, even hours, depending on how bad the car is. And we charge an additional $45 for pat hair. If we get there and it's not bad, sometimes I may have a little consideration with the client. I just say, you don't have any pat hair. But most of the time, 90% of the time, we just take the pat hair charge, because if they selected that they had pat hair, they were open to paying it, and then we just go ahead and take care of it. So for odor removal, it's something that we can add on, like maybe $30, but that's by request, and most of the time we'll just say they need to do the interior. So they'll do a shampooing, and that'll fall under our interior or exterior only service. And when I say interior or exterior service, I'm talking about a wax or a shampoo. So we'll just recommend a shampooing. So for the ceramic coating, it'll be a 1-year ceramic coating. My main job with a ceramic coating is doing the 3-step method. So we would pretty much come around and we would wash the car. We'll do an ionize, we'll do a clay bar treatment, and then we'll also do our initial compounding, and then we'll polish it, and then we'll also do our ceramic coating. So by doing all those steps, we keep it simple and we just get through it. Like I said, it takes about 8 hours depending on the car. So those are my pricing. Am I charging too high or too low? Let me know in the comment section. And if you would like more car detailing and business content, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget, keep your family, faith, and fitness first.